Yeah, hi everyone. So in the previous session, we understood how to create the pod. So a very fundamental object in the Kubernetes. So we try to create it, but due to some reasons, it is not in the running state. Fine. So I will explain you why it is moved to that image crash, then why it is showing 0 1 0 out of 1. Okay, see, this is the status, right? And the restarts also 4 times, which means, so this is the behavior of your Kubernetes. If something getting crashed, then it will try to restart that object. It will try to reinitiate that object. So that is the reason we are getting this. Okay, so we return this manifest file, right? This is the simplest manifest file. If you observe here, the container image I'm using that Ubuntu only. It's a the plain Ubuntu, see, which is having nothing inside that image. Okay, just the initial process it will execute, which is the bin bash. The default process of the Ubuntu we know already, which is bin bash process, isn't it? Now what I will do, I will try to add the continuous process. So I will go with the while loop command which I used in the Docker container creation. The same command I will attach in this YML file. Okay, so how to define means you just simply give the option called command. So here you have to provide this in the like in the functions. Okay, so in the function format you need to provide like bin bash. Okay, then comma, then so you have to follow the like a Docker instruction how we given the first command, right? In the same way you need to provide. Okay, so let me copy that while loop command, guys. Let me copy that while loop command somewhere in my here only. Yeah, this is the while loop command which will be continually processing, right? Yeah, I can see until here I have given. So let me take this. Okay, so let me paste here. Okay, you just follow this, then we will see. Fine, and make sure. Yeah, so yeah, one thing. Yeah, fine, looks good. We will see what error we will see. Uh, so what I will do, let me copy this content. Again, I will go to, let me go inside the pod. So let me overwrite this content. Fine. So enter Control D. Now you can verify the new YML file which is having the while loop command. Now we can go and apply it again. So kubectl get sorry apply -f1 YML file name. Oh, something error, guys. So the restrict policy is always okay. Mhm. Okay, what is the message here? Spec installation image. Okay. See, every time when you are creating any object, so you will get a errors forbidden pod updates may not change fields other than spec. Okay, what I will do, I will do one thing. So I will delete that pod, kubectl get pod. Okay, so continuously see 9 restarts happened. Let me delete this object with help of the kubectl delete pod name. What is the pod name? I given sktech-pod. It's deleting. Maybe you need to apply this restart policy here. We will see that restart policy. So pod got deleted. Let me verify kubectl get pod. Yes, no resources found in this namespace. Okay, now let me try to apply this kubectl apply -f1 pod name. Yes, now it is created. Now let me verify this kubectl get pod. Yes. Now it is running. See, because your container having that command which is while loop command. So it is the continuous process. So then it is running. So so it is a continuous process. So that's why it is showing as a running state. So now successfully we have deployed our object. Okay. So now we can go on, even you can verify with the describe command. Describe uh, the pod name. So what is the pod name? sktech-pod. Okay, see, successfully created and started. Successfully pulled, even the image also pulled. Then it is started and running fine. And these and all your the pod details like name of the pod, namespace, node, and container annotations. Container. So in the container, this is the name, this is the ID, and this is the image. Okay, and these all are about the your image, your container details. Even the command instruction also given, right? So this is the command. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's it for this video. So we will see few other objects in the next video onwards. Yeah, thank you.